Hello everyone. So welcome to EcomBrandFoundr, your go-to resources for building, scaling, and mastering $1 million software brands. And I'm Krishnaji, your DTC growth strategist, here to guide you step by step through proven strategies, smart tools, and insider secrets to help you unlock the true potential of your brand. Whether you're just starting out or looking to break through the next revenue ceiling, you're in the right place. Let's build something extraordinary together, right? Okay. So in this video, I'll be taking you through the complete Shopify setup for D2C and the POD brand by EcomBrandFoundr. So let me take you through the different slides and explain you. The first thing is the brand R&D and the copyright rights, right? So here we help you with brand name selection, domain availability on GoDaddy, Namecheap, and on Shopify domains, and trademark checks on IP India and also USP, right? The next thing is the Shopify setup. Here we'll help you with domain, Shopify subscriptions, brand name, logo, and branding assets, favicon, settings configuration, and theme selections and customizations. Okay. And then, so essential app integrations are, we help you with Facebook integration, Google integration, Klaviyo email setup, landing page builders such as Jump Pages or any relevant apps, and Geo integration for customer support and Shopify Flow, search and discovery app, right? So next thing is the marketing and the Facebook setups. So the business manager, the setups that we do is, okay, we need somewhere 1 to 3 years old Facebook profile, right, in order to avoid the account bans, and create Facebook Business Manager, and create and verify Facebook ads account, and integrate Shopify with Facebook and Instagram. Pixel setup, domain verification, and set up pages such as Facebook and Instagram. The next thing is email marketing setup, which is Klaviyo. So we'll help you with signing up with the business email address, integrate Klaviyo with Shopify, and create flows and segments, and also further automation. The most important thing for any brand is the customer support. So we'll help you out with Geo integration with Shopify. We create customer support flows and also Lido AI chatbot automation. The next thing is Shopify Flow and automation. So which is integrate Shopify Flow, create custom flows and segments, and set up advanced automation, right? And the most important thing for any business is a payment gateway. We help you with that, right? So we have partnered with most of the payment gateways. So we can help you out with CashFree, PhonePe, Razorpay, Stripe, and also Shopify payments, right? And also we can help you with the test orders. And next thing is the product research and the web fulfillment setup. So which is the very important setups that we help you out with. So we'll sign up on web fulfill. We'll help you understand the dashboards and how to do a product research, how to source the product, and the product price negotiation with web fulfill, and how to get the products, and the minimum number of orders, minimum number of units that you can get, and then later fulfill once you get the orders from your customers. And also we'll help you sync web fulfill with Shopify. Next thing is project management setups with Asana. So we sign up on Asana. So dashboard understanding and project creation and team assessment. So pretty much, we're going to help you out with a lot of things, because this will help you understand, we create any request and which stage are we in, right? So next thing is the marketing and the Facebook setups. So as I told you earlier, so we need 1 to 3 years old Facebook profile. And then a Facebook Business Manager, we can help you create it. Facebook Ads account will, create one. Instagram account, integration with Shopify, Pixel domain, and pages such as Facebook and Instagram page, right? The next thing is the financial management and the P&L tracking. So we'll provide you with the profit and loss calculation tracking sheet to track revenue, to understand the costs and also the expense. And also we'll help you with create a balance sheet, monitor cash flow, profits, and business expenses. Okay, so these are the client onboarding criteria that we are looking for. So we require an email address, both professional and personal email address for business, which are required for all apps and integration, especially business email is required for Klaviyo and other apps, right? The financial cash flow management would be like, we would require a credit or a debit card for Facebook and Google Business Manager and also Ads Account, and also for fulfillment, and also for all apps for monthly subscriptions. Right, so our pricing for D2C and the POD Shopify brand setups. So I would discuss in detail about the pricing when we are on a call, but right now I'm going to take you through the bonuses and the different values and the resources that we help you out with. Right, so let me take you through the bonuses. As I told you earlier, so we'll help you with brand R&D and copyright checks, Shopify store setups and optimization, all those things underneath, and also Meta and Google ad setups, email marketing and automation with Klaviyo, and also customer support and AI chatbot setups. Right, and also payment gateway and fulfillment setups, and project and financial management tools, and also conversion-driven copywriting, homepage, product page, and also the landing page, so throughout, right? And you can see the current market price, which is valued at, but we would charge only the fraction of the price, right? And the next thing is the different bonuses that we help you out with. So you can, we'll provide different applications that we help you out with, and also different setups. That is, we provide you with Shopify 3 months premium plan for testing and app integration. So this 3 months will be crucial for us to test the product and also to scale it. So this is going to be really important the first 3 months, right? And then we'll also help you out with Atlas AI store builder and a couple of things to set up your product page, homepage, and a couple of other things, the bundles, upsell, cross-sells. And Vitals, we also help you out with Vital setups integration with Shopify, which has 30 days free trial for testing and integration starting. So the different things that we will help you out with app integration support is the product reviews, the product bundles, the volume discounts, upsell, cross-sells, gift, spending rules, one-click push purchases, visitor replay, sticky add to cart, related product setups, and the bestseller and content protections, recent sales notification, payment logos, trusted badges, and content timer, size chart, and product labels, right? When it comes to D2C brands. If it was so everything in the D2C brand, all those apps, integration, Shopify, Atlas, and Vitals. And along with that, we provide you 3 different things here when it comes to POD brands, which is basically the Mocky dashboard knowledge training. So the Mocky is used for adding your design to the mockups and pretty much download it and add it to your product page. And the next thing is about the design apps. So we have a couple of design apps, which pretty much we can download the designs and pretty much we can use it for our store. And then the last one is the Place It, which is for the mockups. You have a wide range of mockups here for all the categories. We'll also help you out with that and understanding the dashboard and pretty much everything, right? And yeah, so that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching this module and from EcomBrandFoundr. And remember, every D2C brand or a POD brand starts with a clear strategy, consistent actions, and smart optimizations. We have got this, and we are here to help you every step of the way. And drop your questions or comments below, and check out the free resources linked in the description, right? And yeah, and subscribe for more tips to grow your shopware brand. Thank you so much.